अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे Sass import। यूजिंग import we can import SCSS or CSS files in our main file. So basically we can combine multiple files together. Syntax: import relative path to the file 1, relative to the path to the file 2, and so on. We do not have to include SCSS or CSS extension after file name in the path. You can import as many files as you want to understand the relative path to go this article. Importing SCSS file into SCSS file. Here we put before the name of SCSS file, which tells the Sass compiler that the file should not compile on its own. Advantages: the main advantages of doing this is we can combine multiple files using import and then compile the main file. So as a result we will have only one CSS file, and therefore browser will not have to make more than one HTTP request to load different CSS files. Aside list SCSS असाइड लिस्ट जिसमें जो है वो क्रिएट की गई है, लिस्ट स्टाइल टाइप नन पुट किया गया, लिस्ट जो है यहाँ पे क्रिएट की गई है, कलर जो है वो ग्रे है, टेक्स्ट अलाइन सेंटर पुट किया गया, विड्थ 40 पिक्सल, हाइट जो है वो 80 पिक्सल पुट की गई है, बैकग्राउंड कलर लाइट पिंक है, हेयर इज द पेरेंट सेलेक्टर, हॉवर पुट किया गया, बैकग्राउंड कलर पिंक पुट किया गया. You can leave an SCSS extension while importing the SCSS file. Import SCSS, import aside list, compiled file of input SCSS input, output SCSS, output CSS. Aside list, list style type none, aside list create की गई है, color grey, light text line center, width 40 pixel, height 80 pixel, background color light pink, aside list hover, background color pink put किया गया. Second है importing CSS file into SCSS file. Importing CSS file is similar to importing SCSS file, but you must not include CSS as the extension of CSS file. The main reason for this, CSS also have import rule which has CSS extension syntax. Paragraph CSS, paragraph color red, font size 20 pixel. Input SCSS import paragraph. Compiled file of input SCSS output CSS, paragraph color red, font size 20 pixel. Nesting import. We can also nest import inside a specific component into Sass. This feature has an advantageous example. It can import the style sheet for the specific CSS chunk. Given below is an example which shows nesting import. Style Sass, UL color blue, background color sky blue, list कलर जो है वो येलो पुट किया गया, बैकग्राउंड कलर जो है वो ब्लू है, स्टाइल पुट किया गया Sass नेविगेशन इंपोर्ट स्टाइल UL, बैकग्राउंड कलर पिंक, CSS यहाँ पे CSS नेविगेशन UL कलर ब्लू, बैकग्राउंड कलर स्काई ब्लू, नेविगेशन लिस्ट कलर जो है वो येलो पुट किया गया, बैकग्राउंड कलर ब्लू, UL बैकग्राउंड कलर पिंक. नोट द इंपोर्ट हैज सम सीरीज ड्रॉबैक्स. The import makes everything global including the variables, mixins and so on. Thus it makes it difficult for people to tell whether anything is defined or not. Second, the import makes it difficult for libraries in naming of variables because a variable with the same name may be present in other files imported. Importing a lot of style sheet increases the complication time, compilation time, and sometimes we get lags and blotted output results. There is no way of defining private data members, and thus it causes serious security issues. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.